Happy birthday to you. One, two. Happy birthday, Ate Dea. Happy birthday. So, we're at London, Ontario, Canada, guys. It's Ate Dea's birthday. And we'll go for a 3 days, 2 nights stay sa... Saan nga ba yun? Blue Mountain, guys. So, it's a ski resort. I look forward to seeing it. Although, hindi pa winter, it's ski resort. But there are a lot of activities na makikita nyo doon. So join us. Going to be a fun, thrilled 3 days, 2 nights sa Ontario, London. Bye guys!
Happy birthday, Ate Dea!
Birthday girl!
Thank you po!
Off to Blue Mountain. Saan yung Blue Mountain Day?
Around Collingwood, Ontario.
And it's about 3 hours drive, guys. Ayan. So tutulog muna kami. Night! Quick TV stop over. After 3 hours of driving, ayan na yung Blue Mountain, guys. Mga mountain ski area. May mga cable car to bring you up there. And nandito yung aming villa for the next 3 days and 2 nights. It's going to be exciting day, maaraw guys, pero medyo malamig. Wala pa sila Ate Janelle. 2 cars kami, nauna kami. Yung Ate Dea will unpack and show you the room inside, guys. Let's go. Hi ma, welcome to Blue Mountain. Our birthday girl. Thank you for driving, Ate. May lagoon dun, oh. Nice view. Room 226. Daming nagbabike, guys. Kakaingit. Nakarenta siguro ng bike dito. Take a tour sa ating room. Golf course, guys. So dito ako magkakape. Final magnesis ka.
Ang ganda ng bedroom dito. Dapat dito pa kayo naman.
Ito siguro master. Ah, laki. Wow. Oh, there's also the view. Better view ng... Ang greeting mo, Ate Ira, sa birthday girl.
Happy birthday! Thank you for booking this trip. Enjoy.
Message pa, Ate Ira. Ate Dea.
Happy 33 birthday.
You reveal the age. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Baka mag-alam.
Yung isang ano niya. Ayan.
Oh, dali, gather.
10. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Make a wish.
Thank you everyone.
Maraming winish.
Marami.
Wala akong budget na. Hey!
Magdala ka ng airbed.
It's 8:30 ng gabi. Pero liwanag pa rin. Magsa-sunset na guys. Oh. Ready? 1, 2. Ganda guys. Then, medyo malamig din. Kaya naka-jacket tayo. About, ano ba? So, walking lang guys sa tag dito, Blue Mountain Village. Ayan, sila ate sa likod.
So many restaurants, bar.
Ganda.
It's a busy Friday tonight.
Wild wing ate.
Yung ano,
Wild wing. We'll do the hiking tomorrow. Which one? Which trail? The black one? What's this? The black?
Sure.
This one.
It says advanced.
We're doing a pre-climb, guys. Preparation for tomorrow. Off to Santa Ati.
ano po, we're off to Bruce Trail.
Off to the free hiking.
Ayun na sila, nagsisimula na sila diya.
This hike is sponsored by Hawaiian Tropic. Guys, starting point for the hike. Tayo sa mga gilid-gilid sa scenic.
Sabi mo na kayo.
Hey guys, sign na may downhill cycling dito. Let's see.
Kami tayo adult.
Cruise family.
Ito yung mga beginners na ski area. Konting slope, flat, slope, flat. Yan. So, punta pa tayo sa ibang site. So, ski capital ng Ontario, guys. This was first built ng 1960. Dineveloped until so back then $6 lang. Ngayon tong hike na to $15 ang entrance. Wala pa yung ski. So syempre nag-evolve yung cost, guys. Okay. View from the top.
Ano yung ticket natin, pwede pa?
So may uwi natin yan, mga. Gusto mo yung mas chair na yan?
Ganda, laki.
Alright. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Sampahan ng ski, guys. They bring the ski sa taas and then you pick which area do you want to go. May pang starter, may pang advanced, novice, and mga pro. Ano na yun? Babanking doon. Mga advanced level to.
Hindi ka na kung paano pag sumadsad ako. Nakakatakot eh.
Ang pamilya Skoka. Pamilya Skoka chairs.
Dito na sila.
Ate Janelle po ang lead ng hike. Tama.
Hi.
So this is the open air gondola, guys. So if you're heading back down So ito yung sakayan. So but we decided we'll take the trail pababa para mas masaya. Ng climb, descent. Pwede mag mountain bike pababa. See? No, this way sa other side. Here, bawal. Downhill. Nice. Aralin natin yan guys soon. Okay. Good. May alalay kang lola. Medyo technical na guys yung trail. It's a bit stiff. Alright. Up, there's a tita.
Punta na po kayo ulit sa Blue Mountain para makalinya na tayo dun sa
We're finally out of the woods. You see some signs of civilization. Peace out. Harley. Para free attraction guys. So, parang free crossing. Last part of the trail guys. So approximately 4.5 kilometers ng trail. Descending sa mountain, Blue Mountain. Right, so pavement na uli guys. Was good. Lamig. Was fun. Saan tayo day? So from started where?
Here.
All the way.
Ay, dito po pala. We started here.
All the way.
All the way here.
All the way here.
Wow. All the way.
So that's approximately 4.5 kilometers. But all good. Saya. Woo, roast beef for lunch. Right guys, nandito tayo sa South Winds Marine and we'll go for a boat ride. Alright, so nag-rent tayo ng isang speedboat and then that will take us for an hour and then I think magdadak yon para mag-swim. Nice, so maaga pa, so there are a few minutes early. Here's the crew. All set, guys.
And he'll see the green life jackets and invite you down as soon as he's ready. So you go on this path right here, to the left, up to that far corner.
Huli ng isda, sumisisid yung mga goose. Maliit lang pala. Kala ko malayate eh.
Ka naman pala yan eh.
Ha?
Ka naman pala doon.
Busy day. Ano lang?
Kumagot pa tayo. Doon ka na rin eh.
Alright, very good.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Alright, make it fun, sir.
But safe.
Well, we'll see.
Fun but safe.
Trust. You guys like my house?
Which one? That is your
That's your house? Wow.
Great.
You can invite us for snacks.
See the custom glass?
Yeah.
Like that's super expensive, custom made, like curved windows down below and like 14 feet tall upstairs. You know why they did all that?
The view.
They have too much money.
Riley, tatalsik ka dyan, Riley. Oh shit! Right in the middle of
Hard to swim. Okay.
anong tawag sa ganyan?
Tubing.
Hindi, tubing.
I'll check yours when you get down here. Yeah, you can step there. Oh wow, pretty sturdy. Oh yeah.
Sabi ni
Not for me!
That was fun. Who's next? Oh my god.
Alright!
Maybe just a little bit back.
Isel.
A little bit back, alright.
Hold tight.
Mukha ni Isel. Yay! Hindi na makatthumbs up eh, oh. Was it fun, Te? So hot. Really good? Riley and Ira. Riley and Ira nasa floaties. Ate Deo, tayo mag-try, oh. Shoulder injury po eh.
Look here first.
Is this the right one?
Look here. B.
Bakit under yung grip mo?
No. Over. Ayun na.
Tingin dito. Tingin mo na dito.
Yung kabila mo din.
Yan.
Pag ano?
Good luck.
God bless. God bless.
Maulit to, te.
Hindi kayo iiyak. Hagul-gul ka rito sa akin.
Oh, it was a complete different experience. It was nice. Something new. How was it, ate?
Were you crying? No.
Ira was the best floaty person. Good morning, guys. It's the last day of our 3 days, 2 nights stay dito sa Blue Mountain Resort. And I'm on the way. We'll try to watch the TVG Ridge Runner, guys. Exciting. Yesterday we did an attempt. Kaya lang sobrang haba ng pila. We're hoping today na medyo maiksi na. It's Sunday, so we're guessing na mag-check out na lahat. So let's go, guys. Join us. Bye! Fountain of Youth. So, any expectation, Day?
We'll go really fast.
Huh?
It's gonna be fun.
Ano expectation mo, ta?
Atras na.
Atras. Go yan, go. Ate Isa, ano expectation? Excited? Ira, what's your expectation?
Very excited. Full throttle.
Full throttle. Okay, I'll see that. All the way up there, guys. Few meters away, guys, sa pila. Here you go, guys. Front of the line.
We can do this.
Who's next? Alright, pataas, guys. Do not stop down. Do not stop on downhill track. Right, this is the start.
Push all the way forward, yep.
All right.
Push. There you go. Gotta hold that the whole way.
Woohoo! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! Ma'am, bagal mo, ma! Oh my god! Shit, parang katatapot dito. Okay, slow down tayong konti. Nasa harap si mami. Okay, abutan natin si mami. Bilis na! Woohoo! I think nag-auto stop siya pag na-sense na. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh! Woohoo! Ay, paunahin lang natin konti si Mami. Medyo nabibitin-bitin. Nag-jerk ng konti yung ano natin, right? Bilis mo! Woohoo! Can I take this off? Yeah. Okay. All right. Hopefully everything was captured. How's the Ridge Runner, Riley? How's the Ridge Runner? Saya? All good? Musta yung Ridge Runner Ate Dea?
The best.
The
Scary,
best?
but it's great.
Ooh. Keep it higher, Min. Put it higher.
Bata yun, patagalan niya. Sa kasali sa patagalan.
May panguso pa. Baba. Oh. Ulitin mo.
Ayan yung maliit tatag.
Di na marunong si Ate Isel, oh, ha?
Kasi ayaw na magaling dyan.
Maganda yun sa Beo.
Oh, pasok sa loob. Pag nakatamat. Alright, time for frozen yogurt, guys. Meron, puro sweet soup. What's yours, Min?
Chocolate and
Sprinkles.
vanilla and sprinkles, yeah.
Caramel. Bye. Pakwan Queen.
Eat watermelon.
Ang aming kitchen queen.
Thank you.